Hi all. In this video we will tell you how to get Swampcoin from Hashcash PoW Faucet. This service is our partner and is part of the veco coin ecosystem. Go to the swampcoin.club website. And then go to Faucet menu section. At page that opens, click to Hashcash PoW Faucet. And then page of Hashcash site will open. Click Sign Up button and wait a while for the account to be created. After creating account, we will see balance 0. Next, scroll down the page and you'll find our HCC address and other account options. Click Download Key File. The file will download to your Downloads folder. Then put it in safe place. HCC coins are mined in browser. To do this, return to top of page. Enter number of processor cores which we want to use for mining. And then click Earn 1 credit. Mining begins. We see current hash rate on left. Now we wait to receive our first credit. After some time, 1 HCC coin appeared on balance. Now let's join Discord server. To explore other features of this project, click to Discord link and enter to server. On server, locate text channels named Bot Help and Start Guide, where detailed information about project services can be found. Proceeding further. Primary interest lies with Faucet bot for obtaining HCC coins. We need to link our website created account to Discord bot named HCC Tip Bot. Enter this command to bot HCC link account using /symbol. To link account, bot requests private key. Return to website. Scroll to Account Management section. Copy private key. If not visible, need click Export Private Key. Then return to Discord. Paste key into bot provided form. And clicking Submit. Bot response shows successful linkage. Next, register HCC address. Enter command HCC register address in bot. Return to website. Scroll to Account Management section. Copy HCC address. Return to Discord. Paste HCC address into bot provided form. Send message to bot. Bot response that registration done successful. Now let's obtain coins from Faucet. Enter command, claim. Bot response shows 4 HCC coins received on bot balance. Check bot balance by entering command, balances. Bot response shows 4 HCC coins in balance. Withdraw coins to web account. Enter command HCC withdraw. Return to website. Observe 4 coins successfully transferred. Now website balance shows 5 HCC coins. Now I will explain how to exchange our HCC coins for Swampcoins on Hashcash website. Find section, redeem. In this example I use Swamp address obtained from Discord wallet bot. Full video guide on Swampcoin Discord wallet bot available on channel link at bottom in description. Enter Swamp address into tip address field. Select Swamp from drop-down list. Click Request Redeem. Look that 2.33 Swamp coin sent. Check bot balance. Yes, coins received, all good. HCC coin balance decreased. You can also claim any coins from this list. Hashcash is friendly and dynamically developing project with variety of cool internal services. To stay updated on all Hashcash news, join official Discord server. Follow announcements, ask questions. Admin always happy to help. If you have any questions about this guide or any other topic related to working with Swampcoin, you can ask in community's official social networks. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.